Hello and welcome to the Philippines. This is a little bit of a tour downtown Cebu City from Cologne Street, supposedly the oldest street in the Philippines, over to Carbone Market, huge public market. Vegetables, meats, hardware, clothing, all sorts of stuff over there. And anyway, I'm using a 360-degree camera, an Insta360 times 3. It's the third version of this, I think. They have come a long ways in the last 3, 4, 5 years. The software's come a little bit. I need to use two different softwares to stitch this all together, and you might see, occasionally you might see the stitch line in this. You can, if you have a phone, smartphone, watching this, you can just turn the phone in different directions, even up and down. You can look up, you can look down, you can look behind me and beside me. If you have a touch screen, you can do the same thing. You can just move the screen around to get different views. And otherwise, if you use up in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, there's a little thing, a direction marker. You can use that to scroll around on your computer or whatever device you're using. This is a Friday afternoon, and it's the Christmas season. I just read an article about how long does Christmas last. Some people would say it's 1 day, some people would say it's 7 days, some people 12 days, some people would say it's in the Philippines, it starts in September and ends sometime in January. So it just depends upon what your inclination is, I guess. The holiday season, of course, you've got a number of holidays. You've got New Year's coming up. You've got the Chinese New Year, which is celebrated many places in the world, including the Philippines. This is down on a major corner down here. You've got a metro mall, metro grocery store, and department store mall. And anyway, I'm not gonna narrate so much. I'm going to leave the sound up, and you can listen in and scroll around. This guy selling too big. I think it used to be 15 pesos for one of those bottles of water. A lot of places now it's 20 pesos. I can buy a 5-gallon jug for 40 pesos. I used to get it directly from a water purifier for 15 pesos, 5 gallons. So I could get 5 gallons for less than what I could get a small bottle. 12 ounces maybe? Now, anyway, for those of you who enjoy these kind of videos, I'm just going to cut out here and may interject a few things as things go on here. But anyway, enjoy. For those of you celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to everybody. And happy holidays to everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy. And I'm just going to leave it here, and you can listen in and watch. How much to park? How much to park?
20 per hour.
Huh?
20 per hour.
20 per hour. Okay. So there's many people like you collecting the money?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you keep track of how many hours?
5 hours.
Okay. this type of video will play differently depending on the device you have, how much memory you have, RAM memory. And anyway, tight little fit here. You should also be able to zoom in and zoom out. There again, depending upon the capabilities of the screen that you're watching it on, the device you're watching.
Sama na, ma.
Ah, wala. Ako ingay nga ngayon. Ako pigulan kay taon.
Hello.
Hello. May kadawa.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hey.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Basta mga pisa-pisa na mapia.
Hello.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yan lagi mo na bangon ni ko ba?